surprise.
Like what?
Like toys.
And then what happens? What does she do with the tooth?
She puts them in her bag.
Oh, and where does she take them?
She takes them her dad.
The tooth fairy dad? What does he do with them?
Put it in his pocket.
Oh, really? And then what happens?
And then he goes away to his meeting.
Oh. What's the meeting about, do you think?
And then there comes the thunder. The thunder blows the dad away from his meeting.
What? And then what happens?
And then he says, "Oh, the thunder is blowing me away from my meeting."
Oh my goodness. Yeah? And what's next?
And then he says, and then he says, "Oh, I'm in jail."
It blew him to jail? And then what happens?
Then the thunder goes back to his house. Then he finds a way to get out of jail.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And then Sister Lynn got her dad out of jail.
Oh.
And then he was free. And then the thunder put him back in jail.
Again? Oh my goodness.
And then he went away out of jail.
Again.
And then he opens the door from jail. And then he says, "I'm free, I'm free, I'm free."
Yay.
And then the wind blows him away to his meeting.
Back to his meeting.
Yeah.
Oh, is he happy to go back to his meeting?
Well, he cried that he was going to jail.
Oh, he didn't want to go to jail.
No.
So he was happy to get out.
He was going home. He was going home where her sister was.
And then?
And then sister said, "Dad, you're here." "I'm here, sister." And then Dad said, "Yeah, I'm here, sister." And then sister said, Great, Dad, great." And then said, "Okay, but go back to jail. I better go back to my meeting. Bye, sister." "Don't go, Dad. I have a question to ask you. Do you want me to your talent be the soul?" "Yes, please." "No, thank you. I don't want to give my money to you." And then Dad said, and then the sun says, "I'm gonna rain." And then it rains. And then the dad gets and voila, and then keep the rain out of him.
Very clever.
And then he goes back home, and then he went home. He was done with his meeting. I want to know Dragon Dad. No.
You're all done telling me the story?
Yeah.
Okay.